Hello! This is a brief video to discuss one of the hardest musical elements for students to hear, meter, which is part of our discussion of rhythm, or how music moves in time. If you are having difficulty with analyzing meter, that's entirely okay. I guarantee as you move throughout the course, you'll become more comfortable in analyzing it. So with meter, when we group beats together, we use the terminology of duple, quadruple, and triple. When we're grouping beats together, we have to listen for accented beats in order to understand what the grouping of beats is. So for instance, if we're grouping 2 beats together, or 4 beats together, or multiples of 2, we're going to be listening to accents on the first beat or the third beat. So for duple meter, it's 1, 2, 1, 2. And for quadruple meter, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. For triple meter, however, the accent is still on the first beat, but you have 2 other beats that follow it. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So you kind of feel like there's a lengthening of time. In addition to grouping beats together, music is also subdivided. So you can divide beats as well as group them together. When we're dividing beats, we also have terminology for this: simple and compound. And they are associated with 2s and 3s once again. When we're dividing beats into 2s, we call it simple, and when we're dividing beats into 3s, we call it compound. So you could have your duple meter, 1, 2, 1, 2, and you can subdivide it into 2s as well. So it'd be 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, 2. But you could take that same duple meter and divide it into 3s, and it sounds like this: 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3. So just remember, you can group beats together, but you can also divide beats. Grouping them, or for grouping them, we use the terminology of duple, quadruple, triple, and for dividing them, we are using the terminology of simple and compound. And you can combine them in a variety of ways. So to give you more practice listening for meter, I have included some pop songs that feature simple duple and simple quadruple songs, simple triple pieces, compound duple, and compound quadruple songs as well. So you may be tempted to call these videos in particular triple meter. So what you have to really do is listen to the largest groupings of beats first and then listen for subdivision. So really try to hear where the accents of the beats are. Is it just in terms of how many beats follow those accents? So if it's going to be, remember, duple, it's just 1, 2, 2, 2, right? 1, 2. And for triple, 1, 2, 3. It's going to be a little bit longer. It's going to feel different. If you have any questions regarding meter after listening to these examples, or as we move throughout the course, please always email.